Hello, I am Birendra Singh. I have a question for you related to capacitor. Question is, two capacitors C1 and C2 as shown in figure are connected with switch F and a battery of potential difference V. Initially, switch F is closed and after some time switch F is open and a dielectric slab of dielectric constant K is inserted fully between the gap of each capacitor C1 and C2. So step by step solution is, first you will write initially potential difference V1 across C1 when switch F is closed. V1 is equal to V, the battery voltage, and V2 is equal to also V because both capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in parallel. Q1 is equal to C1 V1 and Q2 is equal to C2 V2. Finally, when switch F is opened and dielectric slab is fully inserted, so Q1 dash is equal to Q1 because charge will be same and Q2 dash also equal to Q2. So in this way, C1 dash C1K, C2 dash equal to C2K, and V1 dash is equal to Q1 dash by C1 dash and V2 dash Q2 dash by C2 dash. So we get V1 dash is equal to V1 upon K and V2 dash V2 upon K, because see here Q1 dash is equal to Q1 and C1 dash is equal to C1K and Q1 is equal to C1 V1, so V1 upon K, V1 dash. Likewise for V2. For potential energy, initially U1 is equal to half Q1 square upon C1 and U2 is equal to half Q2 square by C2. Finally, U1 dash is equal to U1 upon K and U2 dash U2 upon K, like half Q1 dash square upon C1 dash and U2 dash 1 by 2 Q2 dash square upon C2. So total energy initially Ui is equal to U1 plus U2 and total energy finally U final is equal to UF equal to U1 dash plus U2 dash. Likewise for electric field, you can calculate initially E1 is equal to Q1 upon A epsilon naught and E2 is equal to Q2 upon A epsilon naught. A is the plate area and epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. Initially there is air, and finally E1 dash is equal to Q1 dash upon A epsilon naught K equal to E1 upon K and E2 dash E2 upon K. So you can calculate electric field after dielectric slab fully inserted. Now for energy density, initially U1 dash is equal to half epsilon naught K, half epsilon naught E1 square and E2 dash half epsilon naught E2 square. You know energy density equal to potential energy per unit volume. So formula is small u equal to half epsilon naught E square. So finally U1 dash is equal to half epsilon naught K E1 dash square, that is equal to U1 upon K and U2 dash U2 upon K. So in this way you can solve this type of question if values are given for V, C1 and C2, also for K. Then you can find out any one parameter or any parameters from charge, potential difference, capacitance, electric field, energy density and potential energy. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.